Hello everybody, welcome to my channel and today's video. I have a little bit of a slightly different unboxing for you today. This is not exactly technically a subscription box because it's not what you subscribe to and get every month or every couple of months. These are one-off boxes and if you like the look of them, you can go on the website and you can order it, and if you don't, then it's not a problem, you don't have to. And it is the Next beauty box. This is the first one of these that I've actually been inclined to purchase, and it's the Mother's Day special edition box. I have to thank Claire at Diary of a Beauty Geek for doing her unboxing the other day. This box, Next do these beauty boxes around about once a month apparently, and I've seen her do a couple of unboxings before and I've been a bit like, nah, not really that fussed. They generally cost around about the £12 mark. This one, however, this is £18, and although it's quite a small box, it is jam-packed and it is weighty. So when I've gone on the website and I've had a look at it, I was like, actually, do you know what, for £18 I think that is really worth it. In fact, it does say on the website that it's worth, the products inside are worth over £70. Ooh. Now, I have just checked on the website and it's showing us currently unavailable. However, again, according to Claire at Diary of Beauty Geek, if that ever happens with these, just wait a few days. Keep going on their site, keep looking, and sometimes they do come back in stock. So if you like the look of this box and you think, might just give that a go, keep your eye out, basically. Keep your eye out. Here we go. We're going to open it up and let's see what we've got. Oh, it's all nicely packaged. Look at that. There we go. And I'm just going to show you how jam-packed that box is. There we go. It's full. It is full. And I'm just going to dive straight in. I think there are 12, yeah, there are 12 products. And I have to say, this was one of the products, this was one of the reasons why I thought, oh, yeah, I'm going to get that box. And it is a miniature of the Benefit Batgirl Bang Mascara. Annette from Annette's Makeup Corner. This is her holy grail of mascaras. Mine, as I hope you're aware, is the NYX On The Rise. However, I want to give this a go. I've been wanting to give this a go for a while. Let's have a look at this cutie pie. That's how big it is. Oops, there we go. Lovely packaging, I like that. And let's have a look at the wand. Ooh, wow, that's quite a long wand. Quite triangular in shape. But it looks as though it's the sort of plasticky bristles, like the NYX On The Rise, so rather than a brush, if you know what I mean, brush wand. So yeah, very excited to try that. And the next item is, oh right, okay, yes, right. Sorry. This is from the company Balance Me, and it's the eye cream. Now, I have had the hyaluronic spray mist from this company, and I really enjoyed using that. It was again a little sample, I think, from Feel Unique. 100% natural. It's like in a, it's one of these sort of squeezy things, and we've got a little white. Oh, it smells very fresh and clean. In fact, it does smell like the hyaluronic mist. Oh, that's really nice. That's really nice and gentle. So, and this is, what size is this tube? Does it tell me? 7ml. It's 7ml. Now, in my experience with eye creams, something like this is potentially going to last me about 2 months. So, yeah, that's a really good size in there, isn't it? Next item in the box is from the brand Nux, and it's the Creme Prodiggeist Boost, and it's a multi-correction gel cream. This is a 15ml sample size. That smells nice. Let's have a look. I'm going to give this again. That's like a slightly thinner type cream, that one. Let's have a look. That eye cream, by the way, has soaked in really well. Ooh, that's got quite a perfumey fragrance to it, that. I've just popped that there. It's a nice fragrance. It's not, it's a little bit rosy. This, item number 4, this again was another reason I wanted to get this box. This is the Cherry Blossom Bath and Shower Gel from L'Occitane. L'Occitane is absolutely awesome. I love their hand creams. It's got like a little poppy top thing. Oh, that just smells divine. Oh, I love Cherry Blossom. Body Shop, and that is a 35ml bottle, so that is fantastic for travelling. Great travel size, that. Next product in the box is, this is by Vita Liberata, and it's a skin tone optimizer in the shade Latte, Blur, sorry. Okay, right, now I wasn't sure, this is the outer packaging, I wasn't sure what this was, really. It says it's both a moisturising primer and skin finish in one. The sheer tint covers, corrects and adds natural radiance for your optimum skin tone. So it is for the face then, because I wondered if it was for the face. This is a 10ml. I don't know if this is full size or if it's I wouldn't have thought that's going to be full size, but you never know. You never know. So there we go. So that's the inner packaging. And it does say medium to dark. Ooh. Oh heck. It's splurging out. Oh my gosh. Yeah, right. Hang on. I'm going to need a tissue or something. Oh heck. Right, okay. This is dark. Right, let's have a look. Let's see if we can blend it in. So I've rubbed that into my hand. It's appearing much lighter on camera than it is in real life. I'll let you know that. I think that's going to be fine in the summer. There's no... You can smell it's got sunscreen and you can smell that suntan lotiony smell. I would just have to query why they've put something that's medium to dark in a beauty box. Why not do light to medium? Is that not going to cover more people or be more appropriate for a greater variety or a range of people? I don't know. Like I say, I will keep hold of that for the summertime and probably test it out then. So, but next item in the box, an Elemis product. It is the Pro Collagen Rose Cleansing Balm. And I've never tried any Elemis products. I know. So yeah, this is a 20g size product. So that's a really decent size of an Elemis product. Let's have a look. Now I'm a bit worried about, the rose scent. Let me show you inside. It is solid, so it is a proper cleansing balm. Now there is a rose scent, and I'm not a rosy person, but it doesn't smell too bad. Oh, it's quite soft actually. Wow, a little goes a long way. It is quite heavily scented on the rose front, I have to say. I shall use it, I shall test it and see how I get on. Next item in the box is, again, it's another rose one. It's Dr. Botanicals Moroccan Rose Superfood Facial Oil. Now, this one, I am not going to open up or anything like that because I have a very, very oily skin. So, facial oils for me, no. Serums I can just about get away with, but oils, no. I've already got far too much oil naturally on my skin. I do not need to put any more oil in there. So this particular item is going to be going in a giveaway box. And the next item in the box. Now, this is the Pixi Glow Tonic. It's a 100ml bottle. And this is going to be going in a giveaway box as well. Why, Kirsty? Why? What's cracking? What's the crack? Well, the reason this is going in a giveaway box is because this is actually on. I'm also subscribed to Latest in Beauty, and Latest in Beauty's Hall of Fame product this month is the Pixi Glow Tonic. So I will be getting one of these in my Latest in Beauty box. And the next product in the box is, now I thought I'd got one of these, but I can't find it. So I don't know what I've done with it. This is the Dr. Andrew Wheel for Origins Mega Mushroom Relief and Resilience Soothing Treatment Lotion. There we go. I assume it's like a moisturiser. It sounds very fluidy. It's 1 fluid ounce, which is 30ml, which is a good size. Oh, it is. Oh, hang on. Okay. Oh, that's interesting. Oh, what's it got in it? You can smell like botanical stuff in there, and it actually looks, you know, I said it sounded fluidy. Well, that's because it kind of is. It's, I'm gonna do it that way. It is. It's like a fluid. Can you see, like water? Don't know if me. There we go. Smell at all. And actually, I'm going to be really excited to try that. So there we go. So we've got about 3 items left in the box now. Oh my god, this is so teeny weeny. This is so cute. Okay, this is by the brand By Terry. I have got an eyeshadow palette by this brand and a lipstick as well. I have done a video on that, on my first impressions and creating a look. If you want to go and check that out, please feel free. And this is a Balm de Rose, and it's a lip care. It's a lip balm, basically. It's 3 grams. It's going in the giveaway box. There we go. But how cute is that? So that's that one. The next item is, oh right, I forgot about this. This is actually quite funny. This is the Rituals, Ritual of Sakura, and it's a cleansing, it's a body wash foam, basically, shower foam, shower gel, foaming shower gel, there we go. And it's organic rice milk and cherry blossom. It's a 50ml, okay, and I really do like the smell of this. Again, goes really nice, and it'll go really nicely with the L'Occitane cherry blossom shower gel. So there we go. And that, I do know that's worth £4.50 on its own, and I've literally paid £1.50 for it in this box. So there we go. And I think this is the last item. Yes, it is. And I do have one of these. It's a sheet mask by OK, the Korean company OK. And it's a bubble sheet mask. We got this in, I think it was a glossy box a month or so ago. And it's upstairs in my sheet mask box, waiting to be tried and tested. It is exactly the same as this, I do know that. It's exfoliate and cleanse. So again, this will be going in the giveaway box. So let's just recap, ladies and gentlemen. We got 12 items in our next Mother's Day limited edition or special edition beauty box. Then, giveaway boxes, here we go. I've got about 3 on the go at the minute. And basically I've been waiting to do a giveaway until I've felt as though it's the right time to do one, and I actually think that time might be about now to do the first one. And that is because I would like to celebrate the fact that I have now very recently just hit 50 subscribers, which absolutely blows my mind. It's amazing. So all of you, thank you so, so much for enjoying whatever I'm doing, for enjoying it, and for hitting that subscribe button and sticking around. It really does mean the world to me. I do want to grow my channel, so reaching 50 subscribers really was my first sort of major milestone. You've helped me achieve that, so thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. You've made me a very, very happy lady. And so, like I say, to celebrate that, I'm going to be giving away my first giveaway box. I tell you what, this is the box I'm going to be giving away. Now, I have popped it, obviously, in my February's Birch box. I've took everything out. And this is what is inside of it. I'm calling this an eye box. Here we go. So, inside we have got a pair of Venus Scale Cosmetics false eyelashes. We've got the Surloom by Babe Lashes lash oil. We've got a black Bang Beauty liquid eyeliner, and we've got the Space Masks warm, I think it's the warming one, yeah, self-heating eye mask. This is what you could win, ladies and gentlemen. So what do you have to do in order to win? Well, obviously you have to be subscribed to my channel, and you also have to leave me a comment in the comment section down below. You also need to give me a thumbs up for this video as well, and basically in your comment it can be absolutely anything. You can ask me a question, you can just give me a general comment, as long as it's nice and not rude, I do not mind. We're all about positivity on here, and what I will do is in a couple of weeks' time, I shall randomly pick a winner. And so that's everything for today, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you as always for watching. Like I say, like this video, be subscribed down below or over here. If you're not already subscribed and you are new to my channel, the warmest of welcomes. And enjoy the rest of your day. I shall see you in the next one. Bye.